Family is the most important part of my life. My family gives me love, support, and happiness every day. We care for one another and share both good and difficult times together. I feel lucky to have a wonderful family that always stands by my side. There are several members in my family. They include my father, my mother, my siblings, and me. Each member has a special role and contributes to making our home a warm and comfortable place. Although we have different personalities and interests, we are united by love and respect. My father is a hardworking and responsible person. He works very hard to provide for our family and ensure that we have everything we need. He teaches me important values such as honesty, discipline, and perseverance. Whenever I face a problem, he gives me useful advice and encourages me to do my best. I admire his dedication and strength. My mother is the heart of our family. She is kind, caring, and always ready to help others. She takes care of our home and makes sure everyone is comfortable and happy. She supports me in my studies and encourages me to achieve my goals. Her love and sacrifices inspire me every day. I am grateful for everything she does for our family. I also have siblings who make life more interesting and enjoyable. We spend time together playing games, studying, watching movies, and sharing stories. Sometimes we disagree or argue, but we always forgive each other and remain close. My siblings are not only family members, but also my friends. They bring joy and laughter into my life. In our family, we enjoy spending time together. We celebrate birthdays, holidays, and special occasions with happiness and excitement. We often share meals, talk about our day, and support one another during difficult times. These moments help strengthen our bond and create wonderful memories. My family has taught me many important lessons. From them, I have learned the value of kindness, respect, responsibility, and teamwork. They encourage me to work hard, believe in myself, and never give up. Because of their guidance, I am becoming a better person every day. In conclusion, my family is the greatest blessing in my life. They provide me with love, care, and encouragement. No matter what challenges we face, we stay together and support one another. I am proud of my family and thankful for everything they do. I will always cherish my family members and the special bond we share.